Before installing your handlebars, what we always recommend is to use covers to cover your tank and to make sure to cover your fender, just in case you drop a tool or something, you're not going to scratch or dent your tank or your fender. Okay, in order to get more slack out of your cables for a 2021 Road Glide, for your clutch cable you need to cut the zip tie here, and for the brake you need to cut the zip tie here. But on the clutch there's a clip right here on the frame. You just need to pull the cable back and you can loosen it to give you more slack. And on the brake you can also do that. There's another clip inside here and you can just loosen the brake from there and pull the clip out. Now you can see we cut the zip ties off here and we've taken off the lines off of our clips here. Then from there you can just pull them to get more slack. Make sure to bolt the bar down first, and after it's bolted in and tight and you're comfortable, make sure to turn it right and left to make sure that you clear the tank and the fairing. And then after, you can snap in all the wires here. Don't try to plug them in first because they'll be too tight, so make sure to put the bar in first and then plug in the wires. Now you can see we have the 14-inch signature bar on. You can see how much slack we have here on the clutch side using the stock cable. And on the brake side, we actually had to put some cable back in because it had a little too much slack. And this is a 2021 Road Glide Special. Stock cables and stock wires.